In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove items from cart on Dhgate. If your shopping cart has a few extra items you no longer need, this quick walkthrough will help you tidy things up so checkout stays simple and accurate. First, open your web browser and head over to the Dhgate homepage. Give the page a moment to load so all the navigation appears correctly. At the top right corner of the site, you'll find the shopping cart area. This is where Dhgate keeps a shortcut to everything you've added while browsing. Hover your mouse over that corner to make sure you're in the right spot, then select Go to Cart to open your cart view. If it opens in a new tab, that's perfectly normal. Just switch to that tab to continue. Once the cart page loads, you'll see a list of all the products currently in your cart. Items are usually displayed in rows and may be grouped by seller, along with quantities, prices, and an updated subtotal. Take a quick moment to scan the list so you can clearly identify the product you want to remove, especially if you have similar items in different sizes, colors, or from multiple sellers. A brief pause here helps prevent accidental deletions. Now move your cursor directly over the item you want to remove. When you hover on that row, additional controls appear alongside the product details. Look for the small trash bin icon positioned next to that specific item. That icon is the Remove button. Make sure your cursor is on the product's row, not just the image or the seller header, so the icon becomes visible. Once you see it, click the trash bin to remove that item from your cart. After the click, the page will refresh and the product you remove should no longer be listed. You'll also notice the subtotal update to reflect the change. If you're organizing a larger cart, work methodically from top to bottom, hovering over each product you no longer want and clicking the trash bin to delete it. Taking a second to confirm the product title and options before each click helps you keep the right items and remove only what you intended. And that's all there is to it. By going to the Dhgate homepage, opening your cart from the top right corner, hovering over the product you want to remove, and clicking the trash bin icon next to it, you can keep your cart clean and ready for a smooth checkout. Repeat the same action for any other unwanted items, and you're done. Thanks for watching and happy shopping.